Hey guys, we're doing another video today, and today we are doing Hello Neighbor inside Roblox. And I am in my house. I'm gonna
Can you actually make like a
cover? I'm sitting on the toilet.
Can you?
I'm sitting on the toilet. What the hell? I left the toilet, but I'm going in.
Hello, Global Cup.
I'm standing inside. Wait, what? I'm standing inside.
What the hell? I can't see what's happening.
I'm standing inside the toilet. I'm standing inside the toilet. I'm Harry Potter.
I want to see if there's anybody.
Dude, I'm Harry Potter. I'm standing inside the toilet. Look, I'm standing inside the toilet.
There must be like a secret
Harry
room
Potter.
somewhere. There must be like a secret room.
Look at this. Look at this. I'm gonna flush the toilet and then it'll bring me to the Ministry of Magic. I'm being flushed to the Ministry of Magic.
How did you find that?
What?
Oh,
I'm going to the Ministry of Magic.
I'm trying to find like a secret.
I'm going to the Ministry of Magic.
I found a key. Yay!
It took me to the Ministry of Magic.
I'm hiding in the toilet.
I know where a key is, but you don't. So I'm gonna get that key.
No, this is my key.
Yes, I found it again! I found a key! Oh! I just found 3 keys at once. Oh, look, dude! I found 3 keys. And it says, good job. I think I completed the game.
No, you don't. Look at the top.
Oh, and I also need the paper. I'm getting the paper. You're not getting the paper. I'm getting the paper. The neighbor's not gonna kill me. I heard something very creepy.
I found another key.
Oh, I've got to find 3 keys.
Come on, give me that key. I'm the neighbor.
The neighbor, and there's some person just died.
I'm the neighbor.
No.
What?
Well, I found 3 keys, and now I just need this paper.
Wait, what the hell? I didn't find. Oh my
god! I now just need this paper.
No! I restarted. Now I don't have any keys. But that's okay. I know where's the one.
I completed it.
Shush. Stupid.
I'm the neighbor. I completed everything. I got 3 keys and the paper. So I'm now the neighbor.
I know where one is. Hello, darkness, my old friend.
There was 2 neighbors. I was a neighbor and someone else was a neighbor. What? How was that?
Mine for the key. Where's the bathroom?
I was a neighbor and someone else was a neighbor and the other neighbor killed me. That does not make any sense.
God, I can't find any keys.
I'm gonna get all those keys.
No, you get away from my keys.
I'm waiting for it. I'm waiting for the keys. I'm waiting for the keys. No, my keys. Get away. I was talking to you. No, my keys. Go away. I'm gonna get a key here. No, you took it. I'm going into the. I'm in the Ministry of Magic. Oh, wait. No, that wasn't the Ministry of Magic. No. It was the neighbor's house, and his fire was burning. I was thinking, like, if I went into the fire,
Burning.
I felt like if I went in the fire, it would be like Harry Potter when he goes to, the Ministry of Magic. But apparently, the fire killed me. Yes, the keys! I got 3 keys, yes! Now I just need the paper. I just need the paper, yes! And then I become the neighbor. I just need the paper and then I become the neighbor. That rhymes.
I know where the paper. I know where the paper is.
Yeah, me too. Because I'm going to it. No! The neighbor! It's the other neighbor that killed me when I was the neighbor. Neighbor. Not neighbor. What am I talking about?
Neighbor.
I'm gonna do it.
See you, kids. Bye.
Bye.
I'm going to
No! He got it!
Why? Okay, we're good. Why?
Someone else became the neighbor.
I'm going to find the keys.
Well, I got
Grab.
all 3
Grab,
keys and now I just
grab,
need the
grab,
paper
grab.
and then I become the neighbor. I need the paper and then I become the neighbor. Now there's 3 neighbors. I'm the 3rd neighbor now. New neighbor. Oh, I'm the only neighbor now. Yes. Oh, what? How did I die?
Oh, hello.
How
Why
did I die?
Why does hello cup poop keeps coming in the neighbor? Hello.
I don't know. I died and I wasn't even touching the lava. You guys will not get my key. I'll get my key before you get my key. That made no sense. Oh no, the neighbor's here. No, you're here. I need my keys. Leave me alone. I'll
I need
kill
the paper.
this neighbor.
I need the paper.
I'm killing the neighbor.
I'm going to get the paper.
I'm killing the neighbor. I'm actually killing the neighbor.
Bye bye. I'm going
The
to get
neighbor
the paper.
left. What happens if I kill the neighbor? Will I become the neighbor? I don't know. I want to become the neighbor. Let me kill you, neighbor.
Please don't tell me she's going to
It's mine.
Oh my.
Leave. Leave. I hurt no one. Stop it, mommy. You deserve nothing but pain and suffering. I want the neighbor to come down here and then I can kill him. And then I'll become the neighbor. You mean all 4 items? Oh yeah. All 4. All 4. 3 keys and 1 paper. Then that makes me the neighbor. What? Someone already found 2 keys. What? If I find too many keys, I must become... Yes! Key! I got a key! I got 1 key.
I'm going to
Good night. Give me my keys. Die! Die! This will be nice. I better go up and get a paper. 1 o'clock. Leave me.
Hi.
Yeah?
Can you get that big bucket out for me? See how those sorts of buckets there?
Yeah.
Get the little buckets out of that one. What? Oh, Humphrey. How did Humphrey get in?
Well, they're not getting out, Mum.
Oh, we need to get that plastic stuff out of it. Humphrey!
Humphrey, come here.
Humphrey!
Humphrey, come here.
Humphrey! You're not on the Gatsby Lounge.
Gatsby.
Yeah.
That's a Gatsby lounge.
Gatsby Lounge.
That sounds stupid.
What
That sounds stupid, Mum.
is it, Humphrey?
Humphrey.
You crazy little cat. How did Shishi get inside?
Sheesh is wet. Why is Sheesh wet?
Because we took them for a bath. She let her in.
Hello. Yes. No.
Oh, it's got. Babe, do you have some scissors? Yes, I do. It's here. Pardon?
Oh, it's
Yeah.
Ruin. 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 I found a secret room. Ruin. I found a secret room.
Where's the YouTube answer? It's playing technology.
Join
Where?
into the game. Join into the game. I want to show you.
I picture of Humphrey.
Oh, sweet. That's a great picture of Humphrey.
Aww.
That was his, I don't know, first haircut.
Shishi, no! Annoying.
Hello, Cupcake. Hello, Cupcake.
Hello, Cupcoop keeps being the neighbour. Yeah, I didn't need it. Okay.
Knocking on that door.
Okay, come to the basement inside the house. That's just reporting for bugs.
Yeah?
I'm waiting. Yeah, okay, come. I found a key! I have 3 keys! I'm becoming the neighbor! I'm gonna become the neighbor! Yes, yes! I'm gonna become the neighbor! I'm gonna become the neighbor. I got 2 keys! I'm gonna become the neighbor! I'm gonna become the neighbor! I'm gonna become the neighbor! Yeah! I'm gonna become the neighbor, okay? You just watch
It would
me.
be nice to have baskets.
Come to the
that
3rd floor and watch me become the neighbor. Come to the lava bit. Come to the lava bit. Come to the lava bit. How did I die? Do I still have 3? I still have 3 keys. Yeah.
But I'm up to the lava butt. But we have.
But you don't have 3 keys. You have 0 keys.
Yeah, but I can steal the thing.
Yeah, but it's gonna be there forever.
No, I mean, she's like,
Oh no,
I need to get it. Yes, I got the paper.
I'm worried about Charlie.
No. I'm gonna get them. I'm gonna get it. You just watch me. Another neighbor's here. A neighbor didn't die from lava. Yes, I'm the neighbor. Watch me.
Watch me. Watch me.
Watch me. Watch me. How am I dying? I'm the neighbor. I'm the neighbor. I'm the neighbor.
Yes, I found the keys.
You dare face the neighbor like this?
I'm
How
the
did
neighbor.
I die? I killed somebody.
I'm the neighbor.